Hi, I'm Kaylee. I'm a transition support worker and I am nominating the Real Skillz project, a group of 8 young people who are disengaged from education, at risk of becoming NEET, engaged in the 2-week project. They learnt and gained valuable skills in the construction industry. It was an amazing project, 2 weeks. First week was hands-on, demolishing a hotel up in Blaencombe. The second week was all classroom-based, and the boys gained the CSCS card, 5 years, level health and one safety. The main thing that stood out for me from the project was the boys' commitment to each other and support throughout the 2-week project. They were always there supporting each other, learning skills, their attendance, everything. It was a great bunch of boys. I'm so proud of them. Every day I was in the project and supporting them, and just to see how far they'd come, and then to go on to engage successfully into education and employment training was what the project was all about. And they've gone on to college, apprenticeships, and it's amazing to see. And they've got them skills now for life, and you know, their experience and the knowledge, and yeah, you can never take that away from them, and I couldn't be any more proud of them. So yeah, well done boys, really proud of you.